my name is Yogi, and this is my first video.
My channel is gonna be about some planes and facts about the presentation which I made. This is the one which I made, and this is the real one. The Airbus A380 is a double-deck wide-body, 4-engine jet airliner manufactured by European Union manufacturer Airbus. It is the world's largest passenger airliner, and the airports at which it operates have upgraded facilities to accommodate. In mid-1988, Airbus engineers led by Jane Roeder began and worked in secret on the development of an ultra-high capacity airliner UHCA, both to complete its own range of products and to break the dominance that Boeing had enjoyed in this market segment since the early 1970s, with that it's September 2016, Airbus had received 319 firm orders and delivered 195 aircraft. Emirates is the biggest A380 customer with 142 orders, of which 83 have been delivered. Thai Airways International, British Airways, Qantas, Asiana Airlines, Qatar Airways, Etihad Airways, and Air France are other operators. I hope you enjoy this video. So I will see you in my next video. So please like and subscribe. Many thanks. Bye.